Hello friends, I am Aisha. Today I learn how to find equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle or scalene triangle. So let's start. I make a function depth triangle triangle ABC. ABC. If A is equal to B is equal to C, print equilateral equilateral triangle. If A is equal to B is equal to C, print I isosceles triangle. If A is equal to B is equal to C, print scalene triangle. 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 Okay. Triangle. My is 2, my B is 3, and my C is 4. This is scalene triangle. My B is 4 and my C is 4 and my A is 4. This is equilateral triangle. And this is 3. My C is 3. This is isosceles triangle. Thank you.